Hello guys, I am Nidhi Sukhdeve and I am from Quantum Digital and I am working here as a digital marketer. So do you know maximum companies are doing their business through online platforms? Because nowadays every type of company needs a digital platform. It is compulsory for all business to come online platform to sell their products and services. This is a marketing demand. Every business and companies who are working with online platform, whether it is social media, e-commerce, YouTube, Google or whatever, making huge profit. The reason behind that large number of people having mobile connections and spending average 3 to 4 hours in a day with the social media and other. So these habits of people are generating big opportunities for any type of business to expand. You can reach among huge number of people in this era through digital platform, so that all big companies and startup are joining online platform to target their audience because they know the power of online marketing. In a survey report, all big companies are spending 8 to 10% of their revenue for advertising. Means companies are aware about advertising, power and strategy. They well know if they do not come online, they are unable to expand business and do not make big profit. So this is happening and you can also check their online presence in all platforms. Companies and organizations are using social media platform to sell all products to right audience. Companies and organizations are using social media platform to sell all products to right audience. They are recruiting outsource agencies or advertising and marketing companies as their online business partner. All marketing companies helping them to reach their product to right audiences. In this point of view, the founder of Alibaba, Mr. Jack Ma, says that if your business is not come online till 2022, then your business will lost its identity. Here I am talking about my company Quantum Digital. We well know what customer wants. Client doesn't need only run the business. As well, every client wants some extra. Every client want to come online, but they don't know how. Every business want to grow. Every business want to engage online, but the problem is that they don't know about online platform. They don't know how they come online. They don't know how the customer will engage with their company. We are the solution. We better know that how our client business grows successfully on every platform. We analyze about our client business and profession. We make a strong strategy for promotions in 360 degree. We better analyze where the audience are hidden and how we target them. Every business has its hidden client but don't know where. That's why so many business strategy has failed. If you don't know where your clients are present at this time, definitely your business and marketing strategy will not work. So trust on us. We are the fastest growing digital marketing and advertising company in Central India. We make appropriate strategy for every business. Whatever be the business of our company, we have a strong strategy to grow. And definitely our strategy gets unexpected results. Any type of business you are doing, consult at least once to us. We will help you to grow your business through online platform and increase the activity and branding among huge number of people. For more information, you can visit us on www.quantumdigital.com and call us on 89628 and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and also subscribe our YouTube channel to connect us.